Currently using my washing machine. It is washing right now. Clothes are spinning in there. You can see them a little bit. I have it hooked up for my water flow because this works better for me. I do want to say a few things. One, it does wash. It does really good at washing, and I have figured out a way to make sure soap gets out of stuff, which is something you do need to figure out because sometimes soap will stay in stuff. So if you're not using a dryer like I don't, I hang them up. The towel especially can become very stiff because all the soap won't come out. However, so they do include this little spinny basket that you put in there after you wash to kind of spin the water out of the clothes. This thing, no matter how little you put into this basket, even if it's only like 3 pieces, like 3 little shirts, okay? This whole thing moves. You know how unbalanced washing machines shake? No matter how you put this stuff in here, no matter how much you put in here, how little you put in here, this thing acts like it's gonna take off running. I have to hold it down. I've tried to figure out ways. There is no such thing as balancing whenever it comes to using the basket to spin the water out. It does work every now and then where it doesn't shake near as bad, but it will shake no matter what. Second thing is I do wish that there had been a lid or something made for this that like clipped shut or something, because if you have clothes in here and it is filled up to the top, as far as I've known, if there's little stuff on top such as socks, little kid underwear, whatever, and you're spinning it around in here, stuff will come out and go to the side, making it not spin right, and then you have to open it. Or if you have like a blanket in here, the blanket top will come out of the top of this and hit the sides and you know that sound. So I do wish I have put foil over it just to hold the stuff in there, which seems to work, except after a while, you know, you have to switch the foil out. So it would have not been nice for it to have a lid, so that way stuff actually stayed in the little compartment, and that may have even I'm not for sure, helped with the situation of it being unbalanced no matter what you put in here. But I mean, other than that, it does what it's supposed to do. It washes the clothes, it gets most of the water out so that I can hang them up to dry. I mean, I'd rather use this and do what I need to do for as far as laundry than go to a laundromat and spend $30+ at the laundromat every time I go, just because I have kids who are potty training and they go through stuff really fast. So I can wash sheets in here. I have washed one like throw blanket in here. I haven't washed any blankets that are bigger. I have washed king sheets, clean sheets. All that stuff seems to do really fine. Just want to make people aware that it is uneven no matter what. I do wish the spinning was a little faster, but to maybe get some more water out, but it is what it is. And stuff will come out of this basket if, I mean, you overload it or whatever. And so that can be a little irritating. So I gave it 3 stars because it does what it's supposed to, which is what I want. But at the same time, it can be a little annoying. I sometimes yell at it like it's a teenager because it's over dramatic when it comes to spinning the water out of things. So, yay.